Suppose I want to create a table hello, right? And this table has 3 columns as before, name, and in this column I can enter text data, and here I have specified the size also, that the text cannot have characters more than 35, and the second column is age, and this column can store only integer values, and third is gender. In this column we can store only a single character. Now what I want, that in this table the value of age can never be null, right? In this column age, null value can never be stored, right? So here I will specify not null. So what happens, whenever I have to enter a new row in a table, I will have to specify the value for this column age. If I don't specify, then I will get an error. But what I want, that if I don't specify the value for this column while entering a new row in the table, then it will not show an error, right? I will not get an error. But what happens, that in place of null, some other default value is stored in this column. So I want that the value is 18, right? So I will write default 18, right? So what I have done, I have specified that while entering a row in a table, if I don't specify the value for this column, then the value 18 will be stored, right? Null will not be stored there, right? So in this way we can specify the default values for other columns also, but the default value should be of same data type of which are allowed in that column, right? So here the default value is 18, because in this column age only the integer values are allowed, so this 18 is integer, right? So I have created this table, right? Now I will insert a row in this table. I will specify the name of columns, name and gender, because I am going to enter the values only for the columns name and gender. So then values, for name the value will be Jim, right? And for gender the value is Anne, right? Oh, here there is an error because I have not specified the name of table. So here the table is hello, right? So now we will see the content of the table. Now see here, in the statement I did not specify the value for the column age, but here the default value 18 has been stored, right?